Hi, I'm Sin, and I'm the Fatty Cake CEO, and today we talking about the Mango Crazy Wings, y'all. So I'm gonna put a few wings into the flour. It's already seasoned, and everything's already seasoned. So I'm just gonna put like a few in, throw a little, good little 4 or 5. Now I got some greedy family, so I'll put like 10. Matter of fact, I got my family out here, y'all. And we're gonna just mix it all up, get it fully coated, and I'm gonna just, like I said, throw a few 8 to 10 pieces, and it's gonna be in here for about 12 to 15 minutes. So we're gonna let that rock for a little bit, and it's gonna do its thing. Yo, my fryer. Oh, shit. Yo. No, it wasn't turned on. This whole time. Yeah.
That's crazy.
Woo, y'all heard that sizzle? So while that's going, we want to talk about the different lemonade flavors that I have, okay? Matter of fact, we got a special going on right now. So anybody that copped the Mango Crazy Wings, y'all gonna get a free mango lemonade, all right? That's the promo that we got going on right now. You order some 8-piece wings combo, and you're gonna get your free lemonade. Speaking of lemonades, we got the different flavors. We got the Asbury, y'all. So the Asbury is like raspberry mix. You could, top it off with some tequila. Yo, you're gonna be out of this world. Again, the mango lemonade, you got the leprechaun, it's mango, coconut, and some other stuff I ain't telling y'all. And then we got the blueberry too, blueberry lemonade. So these are all the flavors. So Fatty Cakes, right now, like I said, we got the special going on. And not only do Fatty Cakes do wings, we got oxtails, we got empanadas, we got sandwiches, y'all. Listen, we even got chopped cheese. So we New York, so of course we're gonna bring the New York flavor, y'all. So we got the different flavor wings. We got honey barbecue, lemon pepper, mystery, sweet heat, vampire, Cajun, chaotic remix, and we got one called the question mark, right? So Fatty Cakes is coming into, we're doing big things, y'all, but right now we wanna focus on the mango wings right here, y'all. You see it? You see it? So again, the promo is you order 8-piece combo, you get your free lemonade. Mango lemonade at that. You can reach Fatty Cakes at 347-872-9682. Also, we're on TikTok, we're on Instagram, Facebook, all social media outlets, we're there. We also have the merch. Check it out. We got tumblers, we got pens, we got camisetas, shirts, and more to come, y'all. Thanks everybody who tried the wings. I appreciate y'all. We have also we got delivery, y'all. We got my delivery person right here. We do it all. We do it all. East, west, north, south, east coast, west coast, dirty south. We deliver. Just holler at me. I got y'all. Thanks.